The Extravis Tangle Cutter V5 robot vacuum does a lot of things I wish other robot vacuums could do at an extremely affordable price of $2.99. We're talking about a powerful 8,500 Pascal suction, a unique hair tangle cutter that literally pushes out a blade from within the roller to cut hairs so it never tangles, an integrated cat laser that entertains the cats, even humans, an anion emitter to help improve air quality of your environment, oil aromatherapy diffuser to keep your place smelling nice, self-emptying, self-charging, obstacle avoidance, smart mops that retract, resuming cleaning, and the ability to roll onto objects up to 0.79 inches high to clean things like mats or carpets. So it begs the question, why hope other mops do what you want them to do when there is one that does it all, especially if you're a cat owner? And this is probably one of the things that I really like about the Extravis when it comes to pet owners. Some robots can be too powerful, but not practical, missing features like mopping, obstacle avoidance, and just insanely loud. When some can be laughably weak, picking up barely anything outside of pet hair, causing you in some cases to have two vacuums, one for pets and one for dirt and debris. I found that almost a month of use, the Extravis gave a healthy balance in the middle. Again, with some really cool features that I like and now expect. I mean, Extravis, you spoiled me. Let's talk about its vacuum performance. Again, with its 8,500 Pascal suction, you have plenty of power to pick up pet hair, people hair, debris, dirt, food, and other things. Keep in mind, 8,500 Pascal is its max setting, so you do have the option to kick it down a bit for a quieter experience. For me, the Extravis became a no-brainer whenever there was crushed food in the hangout area or dining room. Depending on the mess, within the app, I would set the suction to what I thought would be the best fit for the job, and maybe the number of times I would like the robot to pass by an area to get a thorough cleaning. All debris would be swept in by its dual sweepers on the outside, brushed in by its roller, then sucked into its internal trash bin. Once done, it would dock back at home, and then the docking station would empty the robot. Seamless. As far as mopping, I'll be honest. While it does mop, I wouldn't call this its strong point. Now, while I do activate mopping every time I use the robot, the mops will pick up superficial stains or spills, nothing that is really dried onto the floor. So for me, it made perfect sense in the living room to keep its shine on the tile or wood, but in heavily trafficked areas like the kitchen, it can struggle, in my opinion. As far as the carpet, well, the Extravis does a solid job there as well. It does have an option to increase the suction power over the carpet. This is great when you have areas that are part rug and part hard floor. It'll adapt to the surface for the best cleaning method. And to take care of your rugs or your carpets, the Extravis will recognize that it's on a carpet and raise the mopping pads, taking care of the carpet from getting wet. I also found its obstacle avoidance spot on too. Yeah, it does great with obvious solid objects around it, but I was really surprised when it was working around our Christmas tree and it respected the boundary of the mat we had around the tree. That impressed me. Another thing that did impress me was its anion emitter and aromatherapy. Insert some oil or air freshener into the Extravis, and as it goes around cleaning, it gently sprays some of the scent you put in it out into the air, making your area smell nice. And the air also feels nice because of the anion emitter. Cleaner and lighter, that's how I would describe the way it feels when the Extravis is working. I can't really tell you how it works, I can just feel that it does. Okay, the hair tangle cutter. Now, this was interesting to me because with the Extravis, you get two brushes, one that is a cutter and one that is not. I'm assuming it depends on your needs at home. If there's more dirt, well then you want the regular brush because the cutter is not going to really fill the need. If you constantly have pet hair, fabrics, long hair around, well then the cutter makes real sense. For my needs, the regular brush did the job, but when I tried out the cutter roller, I noticed a lot of what was caught on the first roller was now in the internal waste bin of the robot. And last, we got to talk about the design of the Extravis. I really do like the flatter compactness of the base station compared to some other brands. It's sleek, and it's not trying to be ugly, saying, here I am, a cleaning robot. No, it looks nice. The robot itself, well, it looks like a cleaning robot, but I still like it. Oh, and before I get the integrated cat laser, just press the button on the side of the base to activate the laser, and there you go. I personally don't have pets, but the laser for sure has entertained my kids and me on more than one occasion. App support is standard, featuring maps, progress, rooms, zones, and schedules. In short, The app is not missing anything you would miss. It's a solid app. All right, my final thoughts. I really like the Extravis. Cleaning up dirt is not an issue, even though the mopping is more superficial than anything else. It looks nice, and to be honest, it's the first robot I tested where my wife wasn't like, ugh, another robot? This time she was more like, oh, that one's cute. Then shortly followed by, love, can you please send the robot to clean the floors? Yeah, the aromatherapy is pretty cool, making the place smell nice. If I had to give it a serious critique, I think the max setting at 8500 Pascal is a bit loud for 8500 Pascal. And its quiet mode, it could have been quieter in my opinion. Honestly, I would be silly to expect a silent robot vacuum, but those are my thoughts. Okay, hope this video helped you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below to pick up your own Extravis robot. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.